Good morning, Friday, July 12, 2024. I just worked out on this corner face. Okay. I played some pagita here. They were all buds. Now there is one already. Nasaan na ba siya? Ay, nawala. Dito. Nagtago siya yan. And the others are already blooming, getting bigger. We'll have more sampaguitas. And then I got some gumamelas. Yes, buko gumamelas. Hibiscus buds, warm. There's two. There's three. And they are similar to this sampaguita because they blow. Okay lang po. Diba?